Fastball, strike one. Down the third baseline. And foul. 0-1. Fouled off and out of play. Still 0-2. And that's in there for strike three. One away. Here's a grounder to the first baseman. Picks it up. 2 out. Swing and a miss. No balls, 1 strike.
Wow, pops it up in foul territory, and this should be playable.
Fly ball into shallow center.
And Kiermaier is there.
1 out. Swing and a miss. Strike one. Down the third baseline and foul.
0-2.
Here's a grounder to the right side into the glove of Luke Lowe. 2 away. Swing and a miss. 0-1. Fly ball to center field.
Kiermaier pulls it in for the out.
And that'll do it for the first inning. Fastball, and that's just on the corner for a strike. No balls, 1 strike. On the ground to the right side, scooped up by Arroyo. Throws over to first, and the throw in time for out number 1. Strike 1. Hit hard to right field. He scoops it up, throws over to first. Not in time, he's safe. Runner goes.
Pitches outside.
Fires over to second. Great throw. Got him at second. Strike 1. Fastball, strike 2. On the ground, back to the mound.
Sale is there.
Throws over to first.
And he beats Luke Lowe. Bad for the out.
Swing and a miss. 0-1. Not much contact there. The dribbler to the third baseman.
Picked up by Diaz.
Fires to first base. Out of play. Will stay right here.
Stays at 2 strikes.
He struck him out swinging. 1 away. Swing and a miss. Strike 1. That one's out of play, so we'll stay right here.
No balls, 2 strikes.
Fly ball. Got a lot of that one. And he lines one to the left side. There's one, and there's a double play to end the inning. And that will do it for the second inning. Fastball, 0-1. Fastball outside, ball 1. That one's outside, ball 2. On the ground, straight back to the pitcher, into the glove of Arroyo, and fires to first base, and he got him. Fastball, that pitch outside, 1-0. Fastball, outside, 2-0. Drilled to the left side, into the glove of
Bogart
throws over the first, and he beats Zunino to the bag for that out. Fastball, tough pitch on the corner.
No balls, 1 strike.
Swing and a miss. Strike 2. There's a strikeout. Swing and a miss.
No balls, 1 strike. Able to hold up, and the pitch is inside.
Ball 1. Swing and a miss. 1 ball, 2 strikes. There's a line drive to center field.
And that drops in for a base hit.
Fly ball to left field. And he's there for out number 1. Fastball missed inside. 1 ball, no strikes. Fly ball to left field. Arozarena pulls it in for the out. 2 out. Down the first baseline and foul.
No balls, 1 strike.
Drilled straight back to the pitcher.
That falls in for a base hit.
Fires over to second. That time, he's safe. Slider, strike 1. On the ground, to the left side. Picks it
And
up.
Boston Red Sox pull ahead 1-0.
Swing and a miss. Strike 1. Pickoff attempt at second, and he gets back in time. That one's inside. Ball 1. Swing and a miss. 1-2. That's high. He evens it up. 2-2. Drilled to left field.
And there's a base hit for Bogart.
And fires to third base.
Hernandez crosses the plate 2-0.
And he makes the tag. And that's it for the 3rd inning. Here's a grounder to the third baseman. He scoops it up, and the throw is in time for out number 1. Fastball, 0-1. Down the first base line and foul, 0-2. In there, and that's a strikeout. 2 away. Fastball paints the corner. Strike 1. Swing and a miss.
No balls, 2 strikes.
Struck him out swinging. Fly ball to left field. And Arozarena is there for the out. 1 out. Down the third base line and foul. Swing and a miss. Strike 2. Drill to left field.
And it falls in. Base hit.
Down the first baseline and foul. Liner to the third baseman. Great stop at third base. There's one.
And this one is as good as gone.
A 2-run blast, and it's a 4-0 ball game. On the ground to first, picks it up, and he got it. And that will do it for the fourth. Fastball knee high for a strike. No balls, 1 strike. Fastball missed outside. Ball 1. On the ground to the left side. Fielded by Bogarts. Throws over to first. And the throw in time for out number 1. Fastball missed outside. Ball 1. Fastball at the knees for a strike. Strike 1. Fastball inside on that one. 2-1. That one's out of play, so we'll stay right here. 2 balls, 2 strikes. That one's out of play, so we'll stay right here.
Day at 2 strikes.
Down the first base line and foul.
And we'll get another 2-2 pitch.
Fastball outside. Full count. On the ground to the left side. Picks it up. Fires to first base. 2 away. Fastball gets in at the bottom. That's a strike. Strike 1. Out of play. We'll stay right here.
No balls, 2 strikes.
Outside. Ball 1. Fouled off and out of play.
Still 2 strikes.
Here's a grounder to the second baseman. Arroyo is there. Throws over to first. And he beats Luplo to the bag for the out. Drilled to left field.
This one with a chance.
Crushed. Gone.
And it's a 5-0 ball game.
Down the first base line and foul.
0-1.
Swing and a miss.
0-2.
Fastball, that's high. Ball 1. Dribbler to the second baseman. Picks it up and fires to first base. And that's in time for the out. Swing and a miss. Strike 1. On a play, we'll stay right here. 0-2. Swings and misses, strike 3, and he got him. Swing and a miss, strike 1. Swing and a miss, and he's ahead. Down the third baseline, and foul. Still 0-2. Hit hard to right field, and it drops in. And he slides into second, beats the throw. Swing and a miss. No balls, 1 strike. And he lines one to right field. And he stabs that one for the out. And that's it for the 5th inning. Great pitch, just at the knees. 0-1. Down the first baseline, and foul. No balls, 2 strikes. Fastball outside, and he's ahead. Hit hard to the left side.
Bogarts
Fields it, throws over to first, and he got him for out number 1. Fastball outside, ball 1. Fastball at the knees for a strike. Strike 1. Fastball, tough pitch on the corner. Ball 2. Fly ball to center field. And he's there for the 2nd out of the inning. Fastball, strike 1. Drill to the left side.
Bogarts
Is there, fires to first base, and that's in time for the out. Out of play, we'll stay right here. 0-1. Swing and a miss, and he's ahead. There's a strikeout, 1 away. That one's out of play, so we'll stay right here. 0-1. Hit hard to right field. And he's able to grab the hot shot. 2 out. Down the first base line. And foul. Drill to the left side. Picks it up, throws over to first. And that's in time for the out. And that will do it for the 6th inning. Fastball, strike 1.
foul territory on the 3rd base side.
There's a strikeout, 1 out. Fastball, 0-1. Swing and a miss. Strike 2. That one's out of play, so we'll stay right here.
Still 2 strikes.
And that's in there for strike 3. 2 out. Fly ball to right field, and that one's deep. Makes the catch. Swing and a miss. Strike 1. Down the third base line. And foul.
No balls, 1 strike.
He struck him out swinging. 1 away. And he lines one to right field.
And there's a base hit for
Arroyo fires to first base. Not in time, he's safe. Swing and a miss. Strike 1. Hit hard to left field.
Got a lot of that one.
A 2-run ball. Fouled off and out of play. 0-1. Dribbler to the left side. Into the glove of Diaz. Throws over to first. 2 out. Swing and a miss.
0-1.
Here's a grounder to the right side. He scoops it up. Checks the runner at first, and he dives back to the base. Fly ball to left field. Makes the out, and that'll do it for the 7th. Dribbler back to the mound. Scooped up by Whitlock. Throws over to first, and the throw is in time for out number 1. Fastball, strike 1. Swing and a miss, and he's ahead. Drill to the right side. Arroyo is there. Throws over to first, 2 away. Fastball, strike 1. Swing and a miss.
No balls, 2 strikes.
And he goes down swinging. Strike 3. Swing and a miss. Strike 1. Off-speed pitch. Missed inside. Ball 1. Swing and a miss. 1 ball, 2 strikes. Hit hard to center field. Leaps and nabs that one. 1 out. Down the third base line and foul. swing and a miss.
0-2.
That one's inside. 1-2. Hit hard to the right side. He stabs that one for the out. 2 out. Fastball. That ball is inside. Ball 1. Slider. Tough pitch on the corner. Strike 1. That one's out of play, so we'll stay right here. 1-2. Dribbler to the third baseman. Picks it up, throws over to first, and that's in time for the out. And that will do it for the 8th inning. Not much contact there. The dribbler straight back to the pitcher. Whitlock was there, throws over to first, and he got him for out number 1. Strike 1. Fastball. No balls, 2 strikes. In there, and that's a strikeout. 2 out. Fly ball to left field. This game was over before it started. The Red Sox demolished the Rays. The final score, 7-0.